In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send bulk emails with Sendible Brevo. To get started, make sure you are logged in and looking at your main dashboard. Sending a bulk email in Brevo happens inside the marketing area, where you build a campaign, choose who receives it, design the message, and then schedule it to go out at the right time. First, head to the marketing section in the main menu. From there, go into Campaigns, and then choose Email. This is the workspace where Brevo keeps your email campaigns, both drafts and completed sends. It is also where you create a new bulk email from scratch. Next, click Create Campaign. When you are prompted, select Email as the campaign type. Then enter a clear campaign name. Use a name that helps you recognize the purpose later, such as the topic or the audience, because it makes tracking and reporting much easier once you have multiple campaigns. After you name it, click Create Campaign to move forward. Now it is time to choose who will receive your email. Click Add Recipients. You will see options to select an existing list. Pick the list you want to target, and take a moment to confirm it is the correct one before continuing. Lists are important because they control where the email goes, and selecting the right list helps you avoid sending to the wrong audience. Once your list is selected, click Save. After your recipients are set, click Design Email. This is where you choose how your email will look. Select a template from the available options. Templates are helpful because they give you a clean layout and consistent formatting, which can save time and make your message easier to read. Choose the one that best fits your content and style. When you are done with the design selection, click Save and Quit. This safely stores your progress and returns you to the campaign overview, so you can move on without losing your work. Finally, click Schedule. This is the last step where you set up when the bulk email will be sent. Scheduling helps you control timing and ensures the campaign is ready to send when you need it. That covers everything you need to know.